America's #1 family compact car. Nova, big customer benefits, great customer appeal to help you aim for the sky with the 1970 Nova. Nova has been years ahead of competition since its new body style was introduced 2 years ago. Proof of the matter is shown in these sales figures for the 1968 calendar year. Nova better than doubled Valiant in sales, nearly doubled Falcon. The stamp of Chevrolet quality combined with Nova's superior styling explains Nova's continuing dominance in the marketplace. Let's see what's new for Nova in 70. A new fine mesh aluminum grille gives the 70 Nova Coupe and four-door sedan a more distinctive and richer appearance. New headlamp frames complement the grillwork. There are 15 exterior colors, 12 of them new, plus the custom exterior trim option to add Sunday dress to the new Nova. New tail lamps with distinctive styling and integrated backup lamps further highlight the 70 Nova. New interior trims and colors dress up the Nova interior. All upholstery, door, and quarter trim are designed for durability and easy maintenance. For prospects who want extra Nova personalization, you can offer the custom interior or bucket seat interior options, plus the new compact stereo radio tape player unit. Nova Power Team availability, ranging from economy to high performance, is essentially the same as last year. Details are in your Power Team film. Nova handles better and rides better. That's because it has new rear spring shackles and improved rear shock absorbers to reduce body roll during cornering and to level out the rear end on hard acceleration. Handling and maneuverability? You got it. Variable ratio power steering is available for the new Nova. The 1970 Nova, the leader, #1 in its field. Tremendous market coverage ranging from base economy models to the Nova SS, the big stick. It speaks softly, but packs a flat-out performance punch. Speaking of performance, you hold the winning hand with Corvette and Camaro. Performance to challenge and dominate all comers. Nobody in the business fields a performance lineup that can match the Corvette Camaro brother team. The Vette has no competition to begin with, and Camaro is far ahead of competition. Example? Where else can American sports car buffs buy performance jobbies with discs at all 4 posts? Standard for the Vette, optional for the Hugger. Where else can buyers get versatility and individuality like this in the same showroom? Every Chevrolet car line has that exclusive Chevrolet look, but there's a different Chevrolet mold for each car line. Some other people make cars like shirts. Same styling, same stitching, just assorted sizes. Corvette has met all comers to win its stripes. Some of the European road machines that have eaten the Vette's dust cost 3 and 4 times as much as Corvette. Famed racing driver Denny Hume tested the Corvette for sports car graphic and reported, quote, "If I wanted to purchase this type of automobile in Europe, the price would be in excess of $12,000, unquote. The Vette's younger brother enjoys the reputation built on the family image. But the Hugger has earned its stripes, too, at places like Sebring, Daytona, and all the Trans Am tracks. Of course, the hot-selling Camaro Z28 has gobbled up all competition, but that's to be expected from a machine that is the closest thing yet to the classic Corvette. Take a good look at the Vette from this angle. The Vette's aerodynamic design sweeps the air over the car's main structure instead of fighting it. When the Vette reaches a speed of 60 miles an hour, air pressure against the hood and fenders increases directional stability. That's why a Vette seems to be loafing at high speeds. Completing Corvette's aerodynamic design is the built-in rear spoiler, which at high speeds keeps the rear wheels grabbing the road. The Corvette cockpit. Road Test magazine hit the tachometer on the head with this description. Quote, once the driver has settled himself into position, it's just a little tempting to refer to him as the pilot, unquote. Pilot? Whether the Corvette owner happens to be a doctor, lawyer, or chief of the diplomatic corps, one thing's sure. He's at the head of the class wherever he goes. Camaro, it meets the bill. Whether the buyer wants a pure fun car or an all-business, flat-out performer. Fun, prestige, performance. It's all there in your showroom waiting for all takers. To put it mildly, the sky's the limit when you sell the exclusive appeal of Corvette and Camaro.